This is a journey into sound. No drop top. London girl, them hot.
What go on YouTube? Shane G reacts there, and we back again with the next one, you see? Yeah, man. So today we're gonna react to that one here by Koffee. You see? It's just dropped 33 minutes ago. You see me? Yeah, man. So yo, it's called W. W, I know W stand for win, cause yo, from Koffee touch out, Koffee I win straight through, you see? But yo, not another twist neither. It featuring Gunna, a wicked superstar artist, you see it? So yo, you know so that one I go by. You see me? Gunna and Koffee, I'm two of my top artists them right now. Yeah, them in my top 5, you see it? So yeah, man, we're gonna check out that one by Koffee and Gunna. It's called W. W for the win. So see, let's check it out and see if I win, Koffee win again. You see me? Yeah, man. Featuring Gunna. Let's jump in the same way and see what it really going with. You see me?
I want to encourage somebody today.
Church service.
The sun will shine again. I want to say to you that the sun will shine again. Not every storm was meant to break you.
True
Some
that.
things were meant to build you.
Build you up, you see me?
Lord, open the heavens and shower down the blessings on your people. Shower down the blessings.
We are experiencing a weather phenomenon. Winds from the north are colliding with winds from the south, and it looks like it's going to
It's
be
not the rhythm already. The rhythm bad already, yo.
I just want you to stay safe and be prepared.
Koffee, I go fuck up this. The rhythm bad already. Yo, when you hear Koffee say, I mean name Koffee swag a lot. Yo. Oh, W for the win, me tell you no. Nah, come if you not go feed. If you not go feed, get the W. Starman, come down. How money come from? Me name Koffee swagger. Yo, that one ya. Jano. That one ya have a nice flow, nice melody. Koffee I fuck it up already. Jano, yo. Koffee I tear it up already. Wicked. So imagine a Gunna power when Gunna jump into. Yo. Million views in a like a DR2. I bet you know that. This bad. Million views real quick. Real quick. So we are what? Well, a couple people viewed already. 33 minutes it drop. Yo, I'm gonna put a link down below and check it out. Koffee. Oh, the storm are going. Money I drop from the sky, dog. You're gonna. Yo. Gang a boss. You know that money I drop from the sky. Yo, I want them star me want to get you now. Me want to get caught up in one of them star me dog. Jano. Be a money I drop from the sky. Koffee. I don't know, Coffee. Coffee. Want enough coffee. Me want to get caught another one of them star, man. For real. If you're not go for it now, come. Yo, Coffee Swagger. Yo, that one I go straight to my playlist right away. As me done that video, that one I straight to my playlist. Yo, Coffee and Gun and all that one that John know. Yo, comment down below if you know. Comment down below if you not like to get caught in one of them star, man. Cause me know more get catch in one. For sure. Me want to get caught in one of them star, man. For sure. Like, remember this time I Barbados for like 2-3 days. So that's time I come for a couple days. Yo, that one is about Coffee featuring Gunna. It's called W. W for the win. Left the L and take the W. But yo, yeah man, I'm gonna put the link for that song down below in the description. Go check it out. You see it? Yeah man. One them bad. That one there go straight to my playlist right away. Coffee featuring Gunna for the win. So yeah, thanks to everybody once again for your support. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right there, so you see it? Yeah man. Everybody we are share, like, and a comment. Enough love, enough respect for that same way. You see me? CNG TV, we out.
Hey!